had to really go into sales. And then, finally, nakita ko, okay, may pera dito, may kita. Hindi ko naman siya minahal agad eh. But then, the test comes when, ayan na, yung delubi. But I need to tell you na lahat ng bagay natatapos. You know that. It just has to be presented to you in a different way. This might be your best time ever. So stay where you are. Kasi kung umalis ka, parang stock market lang yan eh. Bumagsak yung stocks, bilhin mo na medyo mataas, bumagsak. Diba? Ang hope mo, umangat, bumagsak. So feeling mo ngayon, nalugi ka. Kunyari, you bought the stock at 10 pesos. Bumagsak ng 6. You feel that you lost 4. Yes, those are just paper losses. Paper. Pero hanggang di mo nilalabas yung pera mo, hindi ka nalugi, huwag mo nilalabas. Joke lang. Okay, that's the game. Kaya huwag nyo nilalabas yung lahat na pinaghirapan, huwag nyo itako. Stay there. Kasi malapit na kayong malapit na kayong bumawi.